Hey, welcome back, YouTube. We got a parts order in. Some important tools, that stuff we needed. This didn't come in this kit. This box is from Moss. This came in another package I got. This is my rivet drilling kit, rivet bit kit, so I can drill out the spot welds. Sorry, not rivets. The spot weld drill kit. So we're gonna try that here in a little bit. And this box I'm actually excited about because I've been putting this off for a long time. I've got my air filters sit right on here. So that's exciting. Hopefully they fit. I'm not gonna be too close. They look like we'll be just fine. Alright. And on top of that I got the gasket for it. Hoping this is the right hose. It looks like it. Yep. Okay. So I had to order another one of the low radiator hoses that feeds the radiator and the heating coil because right about here on the old one, actually I'll just show you. If you look down there on my old one, how that fan blade is, this thing was kind of cocked sideways a little bit, and it caused the fan to rub. So I went ahead and ordered another one, and hopefully we can avoid the same issue. But if it gets hot enough, or if you push on it, it's very thin, and there's you can get a little bit of seepage of coolant. So I'm gonna have to drop all the coolant out and attack that. And at some point, I'd like to get a aluminum radiator just to make it look a little cleaner up here. But we're not gonna do that today. The thing's not leaking, so we're just gonna stick with what we got. Originally, the car came with the circular ones, and I did like the circular ones. However, when I was looking at Moss' description picture, and I probably could have called them, but I didn't. It didn't say it came with the mounting hardware. I have one. I don't have the replacement foam, and I had the backing for another one in here in my parts somewhere. However, it didn't come with the. The previous owner didn't give me the other metal grate. So rather than mess around, I thought I wanted to change it up. So I got the I don't know what the heck shape you call that. I got the elongated ones there. The car's needed it for a long time, and since I've been running it more now that it's actually running, I definitely want to protect the motor. So we're gonna go ahead and get those on, and then we'll, if we have more time tonight, we'll get back onto the floor pans and test out the spot weld drill bits. All right, let's get these filters on. Go ahead and start installing our filter. First thing to make sure to get up is the gasket. Make sure it goes up right. And we're going to take the gasket, put it behind here, behind the pan, and go ahead. We're going to feed through at least one of the nuts. Actually, we'll feed through both nuts. Both bolts, I mean. Apologize. Put that on there. Looks like about a 13 millimeter worked. Start tightening it down. And let's tighten her down. Alright, now let's go ahead and put the actual filters on. Should just pop right back in. Just have to squeeze a bit. Make it fit. Alright, that one is good. Alright. Last but not least, our clamps. So we can get them on, easy peasy. Oh man, that looks good. Last one, and they're on. And there you have it. Well, I'm glad that's taken care of. Now, let's fire her up. Kids are sleeping, but They can sleep through me grinding out here and cutting the wheels, and they can sleep through this. So, a little harder for me to choke the engine manually now though. So my one question is, this little black guy back here, is that a drainage for the filter in case water gets in there or something? Which, I mean, I think I'm screwed if that happens, but if it is, it's not sitting in there very good because it's actually bumping up against the cross fuel line, and it's kind of pushed down, canted a little bit. This one's good and seems to be completely out of the way on this side, kind of sitting right there and is out of the way. But I don't know about this one, but I'm definitely glad with how that looks. And yep, installation of that's super easy, but I love getting new parts in, so we put that on today. Plus now the engine's protected when I actually drive it around. Alright guys, I know that was a stupid simple install, but you know, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I know it's simple, but the little things count, and got a lot more to come. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Go!